All right, so here's what you can expect when you order your Jeep Leak Fix Kit. It'll come in this protective weatherproof bagging, and inside of the bag is everything you're gonna need to stop the leaking in your vehicle. So we'll start with what this says here, tools inside, and that is inside this compartment. We have everything that you're gonna need to install the Jeep Leak Fix Kit. Got some cleaning pads here for prep. You got your knife to make some cuts because this is one continuous length of gasket, which you will be cutting to the lengths that we tell you to, and then installing. And then lastly, you have some gel glue here, which you'll be using sparingly. That's why it's such a small bottle. We wanted to make the installation as easy as possible, so we don't want to have to use a lot of glue. And that is because we have this designed into the back of our weather stripping gasket that's designed specifically for Jeep Wrangler body sides. With them in mind anyway, is you have this release liner, and this is why you're not using so much glue, because this release liner will be 99.5% of the installation. You'll just be sticking this to the body side of your vehicle as we instruct in the video. And then let's talk about the profile of this gasket. This was designed after testing about 35 different gaskets that are available at places like big box stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, online, offline, etc. And we tested thick gaskets and thin ones. And this right here was a combination of everything we liked from all of these different gaskets and everything we didn't like, we eliminated. Namely, thick gaskets. As you can see, this is a very thin gasket. And the profile is almost wedge shaped, where it becomes very thin here and it's a bit thicker here. And the reason we like that and designed this way was because thick gaskets don't allow the door to close easily. And when they get crushed, they get thin anyway. So we designed this with that in mind. Let's make a thin gasket that makes the door close easily. And that's where this spine came into the design. We just needed just a little bit of a ridge to make the contact between your door side seal and the body side seal. So keeping this thing thin, then having this ridge in the middle, and then a thin edge allows the door to close easily. And this is automotive grade material as opposed to what you might find in places like Home Depot, etc. That's residential. That's made to go around windows, air conditioners, etc. This is for vehicles, and it's made to flex as the vehicle flexes, and this double-sided tape is meant to stay on the vehicle for a very long time. So that's the gasket. Now, moving on to this section of the box, and lastly is our contact information. That is my direct contact number. If you have any questions before, during, or after the installation, just give me a phone call 7 days a week, and my name's Tony. I'll pick up the phone and get you squared away in terms of perhaps you're in your driveway, your garage, and you're installing this material. You've got a question, give me a call. Or you're considering ordering this kit, give me a call. Let me know what you got going on with your vehicle, and we'll figure out a solution for you. Here is the QR code. That is simply just take a picture of it with your cell phone, and it will open up the video that has the instructions to this entire installation. So it's an instructional video. Just scan that QR code, and that'll take you to where you need to be and get the easy step-by-step instructions. So there you have it, folks. That's everything that you can expect when you order this kit. The tools, the gasket, and then our contact information. And most importantly, like I said, if you have any questions before, during, or after your installation, give me a call, and let's figure out what you got going on. But that is what you can expect in your kit right there.